Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. So I welcome you all in today's topic. So today we are going to learn the basic logic gates. The basic logic gates. Okay, this is the very interesting topic for you people. If you are the class 11 students and if you learn about the like circuits, logic circuits in the physics chapter, I think you have remember this thing. There is a one circuit and a switch like that you are preparing and resistance you are making like this. Sorry for I'm using mouse, so that's why it is not clear. And you are going to put a battery there and you are going to make a circuit. So like that, I think you have remember in the physics, you have learned about this in the physics. So I think this is clear to everyone. So now we are going to understand what are the terms here. Okay, you people are making this type of gates in your physics book. You people are making this type of gates in your physics books. So make it sure that gate are coming from these gates only. So now let's understand these circuits are coming from these gates only. So now a gate is a basic electronic circuit. I'm giving you the definition about the gate. A gate is a electronic circuit which operates one or more signals to produce the output signal. Okay, as you know that we have the three operators, not, or, and. Okay, we have three operators, not, or and. So we are going to make the gates related to this. You are going to get subsections of this, means a part of these gates in the next chapters. So we are going to discuss about three gates today. So let's understand what is the NOT gate. So here you can see basic logical gates. We are going to talk about the NOT gate. It is a inverter. Sorry, it is an inverter. NOT gate is a gate which only one input signal and one output signal. Only it carries only one signal as an input and one signal as an output. So here you can see one signal is going and you are going to get one signal. Make it sure, my dear students, you have to remember this figure because this is very important to memorize the thing. You can see like a cap you are having and it have a pom pom on that. So that's why I'm giving the pom pom word so that you can remember this thing very clearly. So as you can see, one is going, it is giving B as output. Here you can see it is the input and it is the output. Okay, it is the input and it is the output. So input you are giving 1, you are getting 0. Input you are going to give 0, you are going to get 1. You can see, you can understand like that, high and low, low and high. So I think this is clear to everyone. Now the next gate we have OR gate. OR gate has two or more signals but only one output signals. Two, A and B. Two are going here. So output is A plus B. As I told you, this is going to be add. OR operator is working as the addition. So you are going to get A plus B here. Okay. So this is the OR gate. A little bit a stylish gate. Okay. Why I'm putting this stylish pom pom, so that you can remember the things easily, because these are the very important things which will come in your exam time. So as you can see, if this line is very important, if any one of the input signal is 1, then output signal is 1. If anyone, so let's understand with the table. So you can see 0 0, you are going to get 0 0 and 1. So anyone, that means 1 is here, so you are going to get 1 0 1 and 0. You can see 1 is here, so you are going to get 1. Now 1 1 1. So like that you can understand with the OR operator, if any one of the signal is 1, so that means you are going to get the 1, means high, you are going to get the high. Okay, now let's understand the AND gate. Okay, so now to memorize this word, I can say A and D. This figure is this similar like D. Okay, this figure is similar like D. So you can memorize AND gate means last D you have to put and you can make the gate. Okay, so the complex type of questions you are going to get in this chapter. Okay, so make it sure gates, one gate and passing the signal to another gate and another gate is passing signal to the third gate, and after that you have to get the final result. So make it sure that gates you have to remember. Gates are very important. Okay, so A B, so output will be the A dot B. Output will be the A dot B. So I think this is clear to you. Now when all the inputs are 1, all the inputs are 1, then we are going to get 1, otherwise 0. So make it sure. So now let's understand. You are going to give 0 0, so you are going to get 0. If you are going to get 0 0, sorry 0 1, As you can see, if any one of the 0, you are going to get 0. 0, you are going to get the 0. If any one of the both are the ones, then you are going to get 1. So I think this is also particular to you. So I think this chapter, this topic is clear to everyone. Today we have discussed about the NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, and I told you about how to remember the figures like that. Triangle have the pom pom, stylish gate, or D and D. You can remember the gates. Okay, so we will meet in the next lesson. Till that, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Please share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.